All right, if you've been thinking about putting your property on the market for sale in Arizona this year, I need you to drop the hammer. I need to put down the paint swatches, and I need you to listen to me very, very carefully. Do not, I repeat, do not spend $30,000 remodeling your kitchen or gutting your primary bathroom just to get ready for buyers. You will not get that money back. It is not going to be a dollar for dollar exchange. And it is one of the biggest mistakes I see every single day. That is homeowners burning through their hard-earned equity on massive renovations right before selling your house. My gosh, how sad is that? You finally do something you always wanted to do right before you don't get to enjoy it. Okay. It is not the only way to increase your home's value for sale. Anybody telling you have to do that? Probably a complete lie, okay? In today's shifting real estate market, the trend is that buyers aren't walking through open houses with the calculator, adding up all of the exact invoice charges for your quartz countertops or your custom tile backsplashes. Real estate is emotional. If you've ever bought or sold in real estate, you know it is emotional. Buyers purchase a home based on a psychological feeling. They want to feel like they are walking into premium, high-end, luxury property, no matter what their price point is. And the best kept secret of the top-tier professional flippers and luxury home stagers is something that you can completely do on your own. You can absolutely fake that high-end feeling for less than $1,500 out of pocket. This is a masterclass video, and I am pulling back the curtain on 5 ROI micro upgrades that cost almost nothing to do, take less than 1 weekend to execute on, and can safely net you an extra, maybe even $20,000 on your final sale price. These are the ultimate data-proven cheap ways to add to your home's value without losing your mind or emptying your pocketbook. So let's jump right into it. Now, if we haven't met before, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie Evans, aka the Real Estate Boss Mom, and I am the owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team here in Arizona, and we are housed at Real Broker. Every day, my team and I, we help sellers navigate the local real estate market here in Arizona, and we are helping them maximize their equity and protect their hard-earned wealth. We don't just list homes, we sell them, but we also use advanced marketing analytics and buyer psychology to make sure our clients walk away from the closing table with absolutely the highest net possible on their home. If you want no-nonsense, data-backed strategies on how to buy, sell, and invest in Arizona real estate without the usual industry fluff and jargon, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now. All right, let's jump back into what we are actually here for, and that is what we want to update before we sell our house so that we can actually maximize those profit margins this month, all right? So let's talk about that. Upgrade number 1. It is absolutely the easiest thing to do, and it's probably the most impactful way to completely transform your kitchen and your bathrooms overnight. Easiest thing. You ready for it? The hardware swap. Yep, that's it. You look at your kitchen right now. If your property was built or last updated more than 5 years ago, you likely have a dated, round silver knob, or worse, it's shiny, scratched, polished brass, all those things, and it instantly is going to scream builder grade. Or even worse, if you don't even have a pull on any of your drawers or cupboards. The moment that they see that, they are going to register the home as old. Period. And they start discounting their offer price right off of the bat. So instead of replacing the cabinets, which could cost you tens to 15s of thousands of dollars, I want you to go online. I want you to bulk order contractor packs of modern, elongated T-bar pulls or other heavy geometric knobs in either a matte black or a brushed champagne brass. All right, those are the two. So by simply just changing out the hardware on your drawers, your cabinet doors, you are instantly giving them this custom designer appearance. All of a sudden, those old oak cabinets look like they've taken a step up in the world. It takes about 2 hours, and it costs somewhere between $100 and $200 for the entire house, depending on how many cabinets you have and what you pick. But visually, it completely alters the perceived value of your cabinetry, making your standard cabinets look like custom pieces of millwork. It is one of the top home staging secrets that yields you a massive return on investment. All right, upgrade number 2 focuses on the psychological concept called high-value touchpoints. Never heard of it? That's all right. So here's what it means. When buyers tour a property during like an open house or a showing, they are constantly testing the quality of the house throughout the items that they physically touch. Yes, they are going to physically touch things. Subconsciously, their brain judges the integrity of the hidden infrastructure of your home by the quality of the surface details. If a buyer turns on a kitchen faucet and feels like it's lightweight, plasticky, and flimsy, all wobbly, their brain instantly flags cheap plumbing. Plumbing's probably just fine, but cheap plumbing is what just flagged in their brain. The whole house is now cheap. To exploit this quirk of the buyer, psychologically, we are going to go out and we're going to spend $150 on a heavy, commercial-grade gooseneck chicken faucet with a pull-down magnetic sprayer and a finish that matches your new hardware for your cabinets and your drawers. And now when the buyer tests that faucet, the heavy resistance, the premium weight, it all tells their brain that this home is quality and it is built to last. The same exact rule is going to apply to your thermostat. Remove that old beige rectangle, came in the plastic box from the 90s, replace it with a sleek, glass-faced smart thermostat. It costs you about $100, but it sends an immediate signal that this home is efficient, modern, and smart home integrated. These are the exact home selling tips that differentiate an average listing from a top dollar property. Now, our third upgrade. This is a literal secret weapon used by multi-million-dollar architectural photographers, and it will cost you less than $50 total. Are you excited? Yes. It is the 4000K gallery lighting trick. You ready? So what I want you to do is I want you to walk through your home at night tonight, and I want you to look at your ceilings. Most homes are filled with a complete cocktail of mismatched light bulbs. You've seen them. Half of your house is bright, bright white. Half of them is kind of this dingy yellow. You've got it. You've seen it. You know what it is. You've got dim, dingy yellow bulbs in the living room, harsh blue fluorescence in the laundry room, and half burned out warm bulbs in the kitchen. And in real estate, photography specifically, and during our daylight tours, this makes your house look small, it makes them look shadowed, and it makes them look dated and dirty. I don't think those are any of the descriptors that you want associated with the house that you're trying to sell. So before your real estate photographer arrives, I want you to go to the hardware store and replace every single light bulb in your active living spaces with LED bulbs rated at exactly 3,000 Kelvin to 4,000 Kelvin. So 3,000K to 4,000K. Usually these are labeled as bright white or natural light. Those are the ones you want to pick up. This is a specific temperature that replicates pure, indirect architectural daylight. It completely eliminates that whole muddy shadow thing and makes your paint colors pop accurately and makes spaces appear significantly larger and cleaner than they may be. It gives your home that bright, airy gallery sort of aesthetic that makes you feel like you're looking at pictures from an architectural magazine. Lighting ultimately is going to be the biggest answer to how you increase your home's value for sale without doing any construction at all whatsoever. All right, upgrade number 4. This is a detail that you have probably actually never considered, and you probably never even noticed it in your life, but the high-end custom home builders use it exclusively to create a luxury feel. You ready? Screwless switch plates. I know, earth-shattering, screwless switch plates. So I want you to take a close look at your light switches and your wall outlets. Are the plastic covers slightly yellowed? Are they cracked because of the screws? Like all those kind of things. Are the tiny center screws even there? Are they lost? Are they covered in old layers of wall paint? All of those kind of things. It's just not aesthetically pleasing and it's just not good. So if it looks messy, unfinished, and cheap, that's what your buyer is going to think too. Again, run to the hardware store and buy yourself screwless outlet and switch covers. They're really easy to replace. These consist of a back plate that's going to actually screw into the wall and a flawless premium cover that just snaps directly over the top of it, completely hiding the screws. It leaves a completely seamless, smooth, and modern square on your wall. It's beautiful. It costs about $3 to $4 per plate, meaning you can swap out your main living areas for around $50. It is a microscopic detail that buyers only see in custom luxury homes, and it instantly signals to their subconscious brain that no corners were cut in the maintenance and the upgrading of this property. All right, finally, our upgrade number 5. This is where your money is truly made. First impression landscaping. Oh, you guys, you can never go back and fix a first impression, right? We've heard that a million times in a million different ways. In real estate, we talk constantly about curb appeal, but let's get highly tactical about it, all right? Let's talk about the psychology of the arrival. When an agent brings a buyer to your home and they stand out on your front porch for roughly 30 to 60 seconds while the agent is fiddling around with the key box and all those things, those conversations right before they walk in the house are happening, during those 60 seconds, that buyer is trapped. They're staring intently at your front door, your trim, your entryway, the underside of your patio, all of those kind of things, the front garden beds. Their mental offer price is actively being formatted right from the very beginning moment when they're standing at your front door. So I do not want you to leave faded doormats at your front door. There should be no dead potted plants or gray dried out dirt. Head over to the garden center and buy 5 bags of premium dark black dyed mulch. Spread it thickly across as much of the front garden beds against the house as you can. If you have rock, freshen up the rock. Let's make sure that there are no dead spaces in that rock. The deep black color creates a massive high contrast against your green grass or against whatever else you have there in your front yard, and it really makes your home's exterior just kind of pop. It makes it look just incredibly manicured. So it really does this nice visual thing for you. So next, I want you to go and I want you to throw away that old welcome mat, and I want you to buy a brand new, oversized, heavy duty, because remember, we don't want anything cheap, plain mat. Just a plain one. Finally, I want you to place 2 matching clean black planters with fresh, vibrant green shrubs on either side of the entryway, if there's room. You are setting the stage for your home before they even step inside your front door. And if you are completely vacated of the house and there's no other furnishing or no other decor inside the house, this is going to help create a vision of what it could be inside that home for them. Hopefully you have realized now that the secret to maximizing your equity isn't throwing money at massive contractors. It is about ruthlessly eliminating visual friction so buyers can appreciate the true structural view of your home without being distracted by cheap, dated details. I want to hear from you right now, so go down below, drop a comment, and tell me which of these 5 micro upgrades you're going to tackle this weekend, and let's talk about it. If you are planning on selling your property right here in our Arizona real estate market in the next few months, and you want a custom itemized ROI audit, this is where my team and I can walk through your property with you and tell you exactly what to fix and exactly what to leave alone so that you don't waste a single dollar of your equity. Click on the link below and schedule a time to chat with me, and we can get that done for you very quickly. Don't forget to hit that like button if you got value. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video on local cost of living realities or other real estate information, and I will see you in our next video.